Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to recover deleted messages on your iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your iPhone device is updated to the latest version available. After that, open the Messages app on your mobile device and all of your recent conversations will be displayed. Now, tap on the Edit button at the top left corner and this will open up a drop-down menu. Inside this menu, tap on the Recently Deleted feature at the bottom. This will take you to a new window where all of your deleted messages will be present. Simply select the message you would like to recover, then tap on the Recover button at the bottom right corner. This will restore the deleted message back to your Messages app. So that's basically how you can recover deleted messages on your iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.